Today's tutorial, how to open an Excel worksheet in C#. How's it going, guys? Welcome to this tutorial on how to open Excel worksheets using IronXL. We'll start by assuming you've already installed the IronXL NuGet package in your C# console project. So let's dive into the code and see how it works. The code begins by importing the necessary namespaces and defining our program class with a main method. In the main method, we first load an Excel file named data.slsx. We then get the first worksheet named Sheet 1 from this workbook. The program is structured to demonstrate 4 key operations, different ways to open a worksheet, getting specific cell values, getting data from a specific range, and getting all data from the worksheet. So let's go through each of these operations in detail. In the Open Worksheet demo method, we showcase 4 different ways to open a worksheet. These include using the indexer of the worksheets collection, assessing the default worksheet, using the first method on the worksheets collection, and using the first or default method. Moving on to the get specific cell value method, we demonstrate 2 ways to access cell values. The first uses cell address notation like C6, while the second uses row and column indexes. This method shows how to retrieve an integer value and a string value from specific cells in the worksheet. In the get data from range method, we iterate through a range of cells from B2 to B10. This is useful when you need to process a specific section of your worksheet, and the method prints out the text value of each cell in that range. The get all data method is obviously more comprehensive. It retrieves and displays all data from the worksheet. First, it determines the numbers of rows and columns in the used range. Then it prints out column headers, followed by all the cell values in a formatted table-like structure. This method is particularly useful when you need to process or display the entire contents of a worksheet. So now that we've explained the code, let's run the program and examine the output. All right, so as you can see in the console, the program successfully demonstrated 4 operations. On the left side, you can see the Excel file which we used, and on the right side, you can see the console. It shows the different ways to open the worksheets, retrieve specific cell values showing 29 and employee 3, lists employees from B2 to the B10 range, and then finally, it displays the entire worksheet data in a tabular format. So this output confirms that our IronXL code is working correctly. And that wraps up our tutorial on opening Excel worksheets with IronXL. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like some more useful content from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronXL, go ahead and sign up for the trial on the site. Continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below, check it out.